Compressing files is very useful when we need to upload large files, get more free space on our hard drives and more. To create archives in Linux we have several methods, but in this tutorial we will discuss how to use tar and zip commands. So let's get started. Here, I have some files and directories. To compress them into a tar archive file, I can type command like this: tar-cvf test.tar./test. Let's discuss each option that we have used in the above command. C means creates a new .tar archive file. V means verbosely show the .tar file progress. F means file name type of the archive file. If we want to create archives in less file sizes we can add J character to our last command, but the archive name will end with tar.bz2, like this. Note that the BZ2 compression takes more time to compress and decompress files, as compared to tar, which takes less time. To list the contents of tar archive file, just run the following command with option T. To extract a tar file, just use the following command using option X to extract. We also can uncompress files in other directories using option -C. Path name. To compress file in zip format use the following command. Or, to compress a directory, use -R for recursive N129. To control the compressing process, 9 means max compression. To uncompress files use unzip command like the following example. And now, we can compress and decompress files using terminal.